Welcome, Sam. So pleased to meet you. I'm very interested in what your passion is in FinTech.
Pleasure to be here. I think my biggest passion in fintech is sort of around the theme of leveling the playing field. Um, I think the finance industry has operated a long time, and a lot of people have made a lot of money based on information disadvantage. So I think one of the biggest themes and my passions is around how you can level that playing field a little bit for everyone.
Fabulous. I would like to see that too, particularly
Yes.
after 2008. I was
Yes.
in London and it was shocking,
Yes, I'm
horrifying,
sure.
horrifying. And also, could you tell me a little bit about what you invest in and some of the companies that have come your way?
Sure. We are focused on early stage, seed stage investments in financial technology companies. Um, so we're pretty broad in our view of what fintech is. To give you a couple of more exotic examples, we've invested in a company called Hypori. What they have is basically a phone in the cloud, and you connect to that phone in the cloud. The reason you might do this from a finance industry perspective is that you have a lot of trade secrets on your phone. It's really hard to secure that mobile endpoint. So what Hypori does is it gives you the ability to access this email and have none of that data on your device. So if it ever gets lost, you won't expose trade secrets, etc. So that's one example of where we kind of take a different approach to fintech. Some of the other companies that we're really excited about, we're really excited about a company DataFox. They're sort of trying to bring in a lot of the disparate data on private companies together, structure that, and present it in a way that you can analyze and make interesting decisions on. One other company that I would note is a company called Fiscal Note. Um, what Fiscal Note does is they gather tons and tons of legal data. So what it allows you to do is track sort of regulation and compliance that you're concerned about. And what they'll do is they'll gather all the data from all 50 states, from the federal, state, and local level, and then you can view all this data in a structured way. It'll tell you what kind of legislation is going to be voted on. It'll tell you the percentage chance that those will pass. It'll tell you which politician will vote which way. It's a very interesting way for compliance management. So those are kind of three examples of kind of, probably a little bit non-traditional when you think about fintech.
Sounds fabulous and
Yes.
sounds like Hillary Clinton could have used the first one.
Probably could have, yes.
So I was wondering if you could also tell me what your vision is of where we're going with fintech in the future.
It kind of goes back to my thoughts and my passions. I want to see a more level playing field. I think when you see a more level playing field, people start investing for the right reasons rather than sort of the speculative reasons that we see a lot. I mean, starting in 2008, which has really made it public. So, I want to see more equality in terms of the kinds of information that everybody has access to and decisions being made based on real information rather than sort of again, the information asymmetries. Yeah.
And to finish off, do you have a funny episode or weird episode that's happened to you as an investor?
Yeah, so we have a wide view on what fintech is. Um, we get many very interesting pitches. One pitch was around, I guess, a ring that you attach to a dog's tail, and it's supposed to tell you how happy the dog is, and they can do that to finance insurance. So that was an interesting one. That was a
Very weird.
It was awkward. It was very awkward.
Thank you so much,
Of
Sam.
course.
I'm so looking forward to the panel. I'm sure it's
Absolutely.
going to be great. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you. Pleasure.